Looking to buy a water softener? First, find out what water softener size you need. Let me explain. Every water softener has something known as grain capacity. It is the total amount of hard minerals that a softener can remove before regeneration. Hence, the higher the grain capacity, the higher the capacity of the water softener system to soften hard water. But that doesn't mean you should go with the highest grain capacity. It'll burn a hole in your pocket for no reason, and you may face high water pressure issues. So follow this formula to find your ideal water softener size. Let's break this formula down to help you understand. First component is easy. Average daily water consumption. This is the water your family consumes daily, including cooking, drinking, and laundry. To calculate how much water you use daily, you may either refer to your city water bill or multiply the number of people living in your house by 75, the EPA estimation of average water consumption by a typical American. Next, water hardness. It's obvious you know you've hard water, your soap scum and white spots in dishes is screaming you to tell that. But you need water hardness in GPG or grains per gallon. To find that, refer to the Consumer Confidence Report for city water or go for the TAP Score hard water test for well water. A typical water softener regenerates within 3 days but depends on your water usage. It's better to leave room for high water usage than to regret later on. With all components of the formula demystified, let's see an example. Let's say your drinking water has 10 GPG of hardness, and you've 3 people in your household. We'll take your daily household water consumption as 75 into 3 or 225 gallons. So using the formula, we find you need 6750 grain capacity softener. Now softeners often come in these sizes, so seeing this we can go for 24 Kelvin grain capacity. We've made a water softener sizing chart for you which can check from our website. We have also made a calculator. Find everything in the description and in the pinned comment. Have more questions? Ask in the comments below and I'll answer as soon as possible. Share this video with your friends if you found it useful. And for the list of best water softeners in 2023, check out this video next.